I win! I'm first place! Look at me on the top! Yee! Okay, hello guys. Today's video is let's play. Ano man eh? Let's play Math Tower in Roblox, and let's aim first place. Okay, let's aim first place. Okay, 9. It's 2. Look at him. Look at my character, and I am dancing. Look. Eh. Wala na, malit na niya. Okay, 12. Nakauna ko answer task ko. Sige lang, good bata, mamang buko. I'm a child.
You're 32 years old.
Okay. Hello.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connection.
Patay na nila.
Error.
Leave na lang. So let's vote for easy. Okay. Okay, so let's try our best to win a game, to win this game. Palakasan na lang or padalian na lang ng pagpindot. Pagpindot na lang ng pagpindot ng numero from 1 to 3 and 4. And paganahin natin yung ating isip. Taas niya. Ang taas-taas niya. Okay, so the lava. Okay, ayun. So malapit na yung yung isa. Okay, so let's just dance. Look at. So kanina napunta sana ako sa second place kaso hindi pala ako naka-record. Kaya, ayun. Sayang. Hindi na-record yung ating video kanina. Oh, ang taas na ng rainbow. Mataas na yung rainbow, guys. Lava is 4 blocks, no? 4 blocks na ang lava. Okay, so 10 yung nadagdag sa atin. Oh my gosh! So I guess we will be number 1 right now. So this is what we do, or how do you call that? Our aim is to win. Okay, 12. Our aim is to win first place, and then let's stop. That is just the thing that, or our goal for today. Win a math tower. Okay, the lava will rise. Okay, 0. The lava will, okay, someone is, okay, so number 1 na tayo. So we are leading in the math tower.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe you could.
Wala lang lava. Ano day? Bawal mong sayaw? Zero. Look at guys. Okay, I am number 1. I will win this game and I will put on the chart. Almost there. Wala lagi siya ni sayaw. Ni sayaw man siya ganina. 24. Wala, pito kumapsan. How da niya, eh. Wala, pito kumapsan. Lala, doon na lang kayong lava. Patay tani. Okay, so the next one is 13-3. Patay, doon na lang kayong lava. Doon na lang mi, oh. Matirang matibay! Ah! Okay, is 48. I win! I win! I'm first place! Look at me on the top! Yee! I'm first place! Woohoo! First place lang naman tayo! Okay guys, so for more videos like this, please subscribe!